This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor. The Crew 4 astronauts have an interesting zero-G indicator for their flight. Now, you may wonder what that high-tech zero-G indicator is, or maybe you even wonder what it means. The zero-gravity indicator used today is still the same type of indicator that the first man in space, Soviet-era cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, had on board his Vostok spacecraft in 1961. So what is this amazing, enduring indicator? Well, it's generally a small toy, often called a plushie. Yes, really. Gagarin launched with a small doll on board his craft in 1961. And in the decades since then, Russian cosmonauts, international crew members, and NASA and SpaceX astronauts have often flown small toys to serve as a visual cue for microgravity, also known as weightlessness. Those stuffed animals or toys are frequently a sentimental item given to a crew member by their children, other family members, or sometimes the animal is picked as a group mascot to represent the crew or mission. This little item is hung above the crew inside the spacecraft, and they provide a significant function by indicating to the strapped-in crew members when deceleration has stopped and they are in microgravity and are now weightless. Crew members Bob Hines and Samantha Christopher Reddy explain the significance of their zero-gravity indicators.
One of the questions we often get asked about is the significance of our zero-G indicator. It may look like we have two, but rest assured we have one. Samantha and I had the honor of allowing our kids to choose our zero-G indicator, and so we went to our daughters, and my daughter chose Zippy the turtle. It's one of her favorite and oldest stuffed animals. We brought Zippy along for the ride. He has been training with us for months. We have a photo gallery of all the training events that he's attended along with us.
And this is Etta. Etta is the way that my older daughter Kelsey used to call her, because in Italian, she would be a small monkey, a scimmietta, but when she was small, she could only say Etta, and so that's how we call her. And it's actually the first toy that I bought for her before she was even born, so I was very excited that she chose Etta to fly to space with us.
It's been awesome, and Julia and Kelsey have become good friends, gotten to play a lot over the last few months, so it's been awesome. There is added significance to these. It was unsolicited, but the zero-G indicator actually has additional meaning to our crew. So as Jessica mentioned, she and I are in the 2017 astronaut class. Every class has a nickname, and we were known as the Turtles. So obviously Zippy is very near and dear to our heart as a turtle. Chell's class from 2009 are known as the Chimps, and which obviously is a monkey. And then Samantha's class from the European Space Agency were known as Shenanigans. And as everybody knows, if you get a turtle and a monkey together, that is a shenanigan. So that is our single zero-G indicator that we have for our mission.
So it's good to know that the spaceflight tradition of zero-G indicators is in good hands and still going strong. From Florida's Space Coast, this is Dawn Meyer for About Space Today.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.